Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine at your homes. Today we are going to read English unit number 2, Beauty of Nature. After completing this unit, you will be able to learn the silent letters, oral interaction in a group, and create short poem and the likes and dislikes, needs, feelings and opinions, naming words, collective noun, use of definite and indefinite articles, and adjective of origin, use capitalization, main idea of a paragraph, topic, sentences, and conjunction. So let's start from this page. The butterfly is a beautiful and colorful insect, but how does it get its color? Is it born the way it is? Many questions arise when we see his light winged creatures. Let's look at its life cycle. This is the life cycle of a butterfly, how a butterfly made with beautiful wings. First of all, a butterfly lays eggs and then the eggs hatch and the insect comes out, and this insect after some days become larva, and then after some days this larva convert into pupa, and after some days a beautiful butterfly comes out from this pupa with beautiful wings. Let's talk, name the stages you see in the picture and share with your classmates. Can you name some other insects? So let's start the reading of this poem. This poem topic is caterpillar, and the poetess of this poem is Christiana Rossetti, and Christiana Rossetti define about the caterpillar in this poem. Let's start to read this poem in the rhyming style. You have to read this poem in rhyming style too. Brown and furry caterpillar in a hurry, take your walk to the shady leaf or stalk. You have to read this poem in rhyming style and highlight the important words and write their meanings on your books. So let's start the exercise of this chapter. The first activity is silent letters. Silent letters, some words have silent letters. They are written but not pronounced. They can be vowels और consonants. Some words can be written but cannot sound. जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, क्लीम, डिज़ाइन. इसमें देखिए बी की जो साउंड है, लास्ट पे हमारा लेटर है बी, इसकी साउंड नहीं आ रही. क्लीम, डिज़ाइन, थम, टॉक, टॉक में एल की साउंड नहीं आ रही. तो कुछ वर्ड जो हैं हमारे इन रिटन फॉर्म में मौजूद होते हैं, बट वी कैन नॉट प्रोनाउंस दीज लेटर्स. The next activity is make more words with the above silent letters in your notebooks. You have to make the words with these silent letters on your notebooks. The next activity is learning to speak, read and practice the given dialogue. Dialogue is the conversation between two person or more than two person. The dialogue is between the caterpillar and the butterfly. Caterpillar, good morning. Butterfly, how are you? Butterfly, good morning. I am fine, thank you. Caterpillar, meet my friend Ladybird. Butterfly, good to meet you, Ladybird, but would you like to have oak leaves or cherry leaves? Ladybird, oh yes, thank you so much. I would love to eat cherry leaves. Butterfly, okay, meet my friend Honeybee. Ladybird, nice to meet you, Honeybee. The next activity is practice the dialogue in pairs and introduce yourself and your friends. आप इस dialogue को अपने friends के साथ in pairs में practice के तौर पर भी इसको use कर सकते हैं as a role play. The next activity is reading comprehensions. Answer these questions. Dear students, these have the question answers. The first question is, where is the caterpillar going? The answer is, the caterpillar is going for a walk. The second question is, what is the caterpillar become? The answer is, caterpillar will become a butterfly. The third question is, do toads and birds eat caterpillars? The answer is, yes, toads and birds eat caterpillars. Dear students, you have to read and write your question answer on your notebook and learn these questions. The next activity is read the given paragraph. This is the paragraph and you have to read this paragraph. This paragraph is about Mahnur and her friends. The next activity is read the lesson again and fill in the blanks with the correct option. The first one is dash wrote the poem Caterpillar. The correct answer is Christiana Rossetti. You have to tick the correct answer and write these correct answer in the fill in the blanks. You have to solve this activity by yourself after reading the poem. The next activity is analytical reading. Select a little creature as a honeybee that is used to humans. Note some interesting facts about it and share with your classmates. You have to select any kind of insect and write interesting facts about it and share with your classmates. Move to the next activity. The first one is read the given words with their meanings. These are the words and these are their meanings in the English. The first word is furry. Furry meaning is covered with fur. You have to read these words meaning with the correct pronunciation. The next activity is rhyming words. Complete the given rhyme using the word bank. This is the word bank. and you have to use this word bank to fill the poem with their rhyming words. The first one is a little seed for me to sow, a little soil to grow. The correct rhyming word is grow. बाकी एक्टिविटी आप लोगों ने खुद सोल्व करनी है. द नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी, क्रिएट अ पोएम ऑफ योर ओन यूजिंग द गिवन पेयर्स ऑफ राइमिंग वर्ड्स एंड राइट इट इन योर नोटबुक्स. दीज आर द राइमिंग वर्ड्स एंड यू हैव टू यूज दीज राइमिंग वर्ड्स एंड मेक अ न्यू पोएम बाय योर सेल्फ. The next activity is expressing likes and dislikes, needs, feelings, and opinions. Read a given dialogue. Note how to use different expression in a conversation. This is the dialogue, and this dialogue include expression, for example, like, dislike, needs, feelings, and opinions. You will read this dialogue with the help of your parents, और आप इस डायलॉग को अपने सिबलिंग्स के साथ प्ले भी कर सकते हैं. एज अ रोल प्ले भी आप अपनी सिस्टर ब्रदर के साथ अपनी ये डायलॉग को प्ले कर सकते हैं. द नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज लर्निंग टू स्पेल, फिल इन द मिसिंग लेटर्स टू कंप्लीट द वर्ड. दीज आर द वर्ड्स विद द मिसिंग लेटर्स. यू हैव टू फिल दीज मिसिंग लेटर्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज कैटरपिलर, सेकेंड वन इज स्टॉक, एंड नेक्स्ट वन डैश ओवर होवर. तो इस तरह आपने इसको सॉल्व करना है. द नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज ग्रामर. कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. कलेक्टिव नाउन्स रेफर्स टू अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल और थिंग्स. कलेक्टिव नाउन में अगर हम किसी ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल की बात कर रहे हैं, किसी थिंग्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो कि ग्रुप की शक्ल में है, तो वो हमारे वर्ड जो हैं वो कलेक्टिव नाउन होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ टीम, अ हर्ड, अ हाइव. These are the examples of collective noun. The first one is a crowd of people walked across the market. People, crowd of people. तो crowd word जो है वो हमारे group of people को show कर रहा है, तो हमारा जो crowd word है वो collective noun है. The highlighted word is the collective noun. The next activity is make sentences of your own using the given collective noun. These are the collective nouns and you have to use these collective noun in your own sentences. The next activity is articles a or an. Some words have initial consonant which are not pronounced. For example, W in right, K in kneel, H in honest. Some words are not pronounced but written. जैसे कि हमने पहले भी बात की कि हम साइलेंट लेटर के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं कि वो लिखे जाते हैं लेकिन प्रोनाउंस नहीं किए जाते. आगे उन्होंने बताया है कि वी पुट आर्टिकल्स आ और एन विद दोज वर्ड्स बाय फोकसिंग ऑन द सेकेंड लेटर. जिन लेटर्स को हम लिखते नहीं हैं उसको जिन लेटर्स को हम लिखते हैं लेकिन प्रोनाउंस नहीं करते, तो हम उसको देखते नहीं हैं, उससे अगले वाले लेटर को हम देखते हुए आर्टिकल्स को यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास है यहाँ पे डैश ओनेस्ट गर्ल, तो यहाँ पे हमने एन यूज़ किया बिकॉज एच प्रोनाउंस नहीं होता ओनेस्ट, तो हमारा एच को छोड़कर अगला जो लेटर है वो है ओ, तो ओ हमारा वो वाला लेटर है, दैट इज़ वाई वी यूज़ एन. The next activity is write a, an or the to complete the paragraph. This is a paragraph and you have to read the paragraph carefully and use the correct article with the help of your tutor. The next activity is adjective of origin. An adjective of origin describe where something comes from. Adjective of origin का मतलब है कि किसी चीज़ के बारे में describe करे कि वो चीज़ कहाँ से आई है. Where the things comes. These are the examples. You have to read the examples carefully and understood all the adjective of origin. Now use the given adjective of origin in sentences of your own on your notebook. These are the words that is related to the adjective of origin. You have to use these words in your sentences. For example, the first word is British. The sentence is I like the British dress. The first activity of this page is capitalization. Rewrite the given paragraph in your notebook. Use correct capitalization. This is the paragraph without capitalization. You have to use these capitalization rules to solve this activity, and you have to solve this activity on your notebook. The second activity is learning to write. Write a paragraph on the life cycle of a butterfly using supporting details. Make sure you use the correct joining words such as and, but, and, because to join the sentences. Write a paragraph. Read the following paragraph for help. This is the help. The main idea of the paragraph is called the topic sentence. हमारा कोई भी पैराग्राफ हम राइट करते हैं, अगर हम ऑथेंटिक वे में उसको राइट करना चाहते हैं, देन हमें इन चीज़ों को सोचना होगा, इन चीज़ों को लेकर चलना होगा. तो फर्स्ट वन इज़ टॉपिक सेंटेंस, कि हमारा सेंटेंस जो हम पैराग्राफ लिख रहे हैं उसका टॉपिक सेंटेंस होना चाहिए कि हम किसके बारे में लिख रहे हैं. जैसे कि हमारी एग्जांपल है नेचर इज़ अ ब्लेसिंग एंड गिफ्ट फ्रॉम अल्लाह फॉर अस, तो हमारे ये टॉपिक सेंटेंस से ही पता चल रहा है कि ये पैराग्राफ किससे रिलेटेड है, ब्लेसिंग से रिलेटेड है. अदर सेंटेंसेज इन अ पैराग्राफ सपोर्ट द टॉपिक सेंटेंस. ये तमाम जो हमारे सेंटेंसेज हैं हमारे टॉपिक सेंटेंस को रिलेट कर रहे हैं, सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. And the topic sentence, these are called the supporting details, and these sentences are also called the supporting details. अगर आप अपने पैराग्राफ को ऑथेंटिक बनाना चाहते हैं तो आप लोगों को इसको ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड्स यूज़ करने होंगे अपने पैराग्राफ में. दैट इज़ वाई योर पैराग्राफ लुक्स ऑथेंटिक. The last activity is creative writing. Write a paragraph on saving earth in your notebook. This is your home task. You have to write the paragraph on saving earth by using these details. I hope you understood all the activities I defined in this video. You have to practice all these activities on your notebooks and learn these. Allah Hafiz.